Hi my loves, it's Lindy here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing well and I am so happy and very excited to be back again here today with a brand new unboxing video. And these are what I got myself for my birthday. Very special ones. I'm so brave that I got this. I can't believe myself. And for this one, it is the very first one in my collection of this type of bag. I've been wanting to add this bag to my collection for such a long time, and finally the perfect one came by. Also, there will be a giveaway here in this video, so stay tuned and keep watching. I'll just put it in anywhere I feel like it. So yes, my darlings, I just feel so much better now with the hair done and everything, looking pretty and ready for the pregnancy photo shoot. Before I start to unbox my Chanel goodies, I wanted to show you something that I've been so obsessed with. So I got 4 pair of brand new luxury shoes that I have actually already worn, and oh my gosh, these shoes are the most comfortable premium shoes you can put on your feet. I have been so obsessed with these shoes and I've already been wearing and trying them out and walking in them and even washing them. These are seriously the most comfortable shoes that I've ever worn, and especially now during my pregnancy, comfort is just #1 priority. And these shoes, they are from the brand Vivaia, and they were so kind to send me these shoes to try out. They were very confident that I would fall in love with their shoes, and oh my gosh, I did. The very first time I wore them, I just felt like I was like dancing. These feels like walking on clouds, really so soft. They are really flexible. So if you haven't heard of the brand Vivaia before, they are a sustainable brand that specializes in eco-friendly shoes, and they make so many different types of shoes, from sandals to flats, loafers, heels, and even boots. And something that is very special about Vivaia shoes, they are all made of recycled materials. So these are actually made of 6 plastic bottles. So they are zero waste and environment friendly, and everything including their packaging is also recycled packaging. So these are the Tamiya round toe ballet flats, and this is the color Dapple Cream, which I love so much. It is beautiful. It is made with hems and they just feel super lightweight and very flexible. You can see how they bend. So these shoes are so easy to pair with. You can wear them with jeans or trousers like daily wear, or even more dressy like I'm wearing my Princess TULLE skirt, which I love so much, my Chanel pink crop top with my beautiful new knit cardigan over. So this color is called Dapple Cream, and it is just a very neutral color that goes to every single color. And next I wanted to show you another one of their very popular pair of shoes, which is the Aria 5, and this is their newer model. So you can see them here side by side. Let me show you. This is Dapple Cream color and this is sand. So these are pointy, where these are more rounded. So even though they are pointy, they are super comfortable to wear. So I would normally think with pointy shoes, especially the Chanel Sling Bags, they will really squeeze your feet and your toes. But for these beautiful Vivaia shoes, they are designed in this beautiful knit thread material. So they are 3D knitted and they are just made to hug up your feet like perfectly. So whether you have like a wider foot or a slimmer foot, these will fit you so beautifully, just like a glove. Next, I want to show you these beautiful pointed toe knotted bow molds, and these are called the Jaffa. They are so beautiful. It comes in a beautiful yellow as well, but you can see I prefer this very neutral color. It is just such a beautiful neutral color that goes to every outfit, and again they are super comfortable. And I'm pairing this with my beautiful golden heart bag, which I think looks amazing to these shoes as they're both gold tone, and also these shoes comes with some glitter in them. They're so pretty, so elegant and feminine. So you can see they look so luxurious, and I think they really do elevate your look and outfit and just really complete your look. So last but not the least, a pair of very beautiful beautiful sling bags, and these are so comfortable. Yes, I don't know how many times I've said the word comfortable in this video, but all these shoes, oh my gosh, they're all so comfortable. So as you can see, they come beautifully wrapped inside of this beautiful box, and all of the packaging is also recycled material, so all are recycle friendly. And you'll see these beautiful, yes, I am in love with this color, as you can see. So let me get the shoes out first. So these are the beautiful sling bags with a little heel, and they come with a beautiful cute little bow in the front, and you can see again very flexible and super nice knitted. You can see the 3D knitting is really flexible, very structured and soft at the same time, so it stays in place, wrapping up my feet so nicely. And I love them together with my beautiful blue dress, and I think they look perfect together with this white Chanel top handle bag, which is from the 21S collection. It is just neutral colors, so you can wear anything with it, which is why I chose all 4 pairs in very neutral colors. So I am really so happy that I tried out these shoes because they are definitely beautiful, and then most importantly super comfortable. So highly recommend them. And by the time you're watching this video, Vivaia, they are so kind to offer my dear followers 15% extra discount on top of their already discounted prices. They do have offers of like buying 2 or 3 pairs where you get extra discount, and you will get 15% extra discount with my discount code Lindy. Do keep in mind it only works for 7 days, and once the 7 days has passed, then it will turn into a 10% discount. So don't miss this opportunity. I think they're definitely something you need 1 pair of. They offer free shipping when you do buy for $99 or more. So that is a really great offer. So don't forget to check out the description box. I'll leave all the information down below. Also the looks that I wear, so including the outfits that I wear. Don't forget to check that out. And thank you so much to Vivaia for partnering with me in this video. I'm so happy to share all these beautiful shoes with you, and can't wait to wear them more. And I'll definitely be picking up some more of them to match my different pink outfits. So yes, I'm looking so much forward to have a pink pair. Next, let's go ahead and unbox my Chanel. So are we going to, yes, we are going to unbox this first, and you're going to say I am so crazy. You know, Chanel ready to wear is so expensive. I did actually ask you on Instagram, should I get this or not? And most of you told me, oh, please wear it, Lindy, because you never know with your pregnancy and your body how it changes. And I have definitely gained weight. I have gained 13.5 kilos now at 33 weeks. But yes, anyway, I hope I can lose it all after I've given birth, and this will be my motivation. So you may already guess what it is. I can still fit my normal size for like jackets and so, but for this I got a book here, so yes, we will talk more about that later. I have the receipt, I got the hanger, and now this reveals. So the hanger is for a pair of jeans. Oh my goodness. These are the beautiful runway jeans, and I purchased them in a size 34, which is my normal size. And when I'm looking at this teeny tiny waist, I'm thinking, how could I ever like be so small? But when I look at all of my other jeans, these are actually even a bit wider because they are elastic. So when you look at me now, oh my gosh, I feel like I am the double size now, and I will be so happy if I can get back into these jeans. They are so beautiful with big pockets, and you know, I love high-waisted jeans so much, and these jeans are just so special and nothing that I wanted to skip. So you can see it comes with this beautiful Chanel vintage looking button, and you see the zipper and the button, both silver color, very smooth, and this wash is just so beautiful. It is not that stretchy like I thought. This would be more elastic, but not too much. I will just be so happy if I get back to my normal size, but if I don't, that's okay as well. But this will be my motivation, and I think they are too special to skip. They come with this beautiful ruffle, and can you just imagine these jeans and the Vivaia flats just a perfect combo, right? I love these so much, and they were definitely expensive. Let me check the price. So you know, Chanel ready to wear is never cheap, and they were 13,800 MOP. This will be my motivation to get back in shape after I've given birth. But first I'll prioritize nourishing myself and my baby. I just had to get a bit up because my baby is keep kicking me so much. He's definitely a very energetic and active baby, just like mama. I have been so energetic and full of energy throughout my pregnancy. I don't know what it is. I feel like I don't even need sleep, and I don't drink coffee, and I just feel like I've been drinking Red Bull all the time. Anyway, he's getting really excited because I keep speaking and speaking, and when I do film videos, then I speak kind of louder than normal, so I think he thinks that I'm talking to him, so he keeps kicking so much. Oh my gosh, yes, I get so excited when he is excited as well. I don't know what it is. He just gives me so much energy and so much happiness. But yes, now I'm everywhere. So my darlings, and this is a very special bag to me, and it is going to be, you'll see when you see it. Yes, I don't want to say it now, but this is my biggest Chanel bag, and this is something that I really wanted to get for my birthday, and I am so excited to use it. I'm actually going to use it in next week, I think, so I'm so happy to unbox it here today. To be honest, this is not the box that I got for this bag. Normally it would come in an even bigger box, but I just wanted to save my essay from packing and everything. And yes, anyway, I don't have more space for any boxes. It is getting too many and they take up so much space. So yes, that is why you see the paper is not so smooth. It is repacked by me, so the receipt is there, and I tried my best to pack it as nicely as possible. So it comes in this black dust bag. So my darlings, this is from the 22B collection. Can you guess by the shape? You see, it is definitely a much bigger bag than those that I normally used to buy, but it is in the prettiest color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to finally get this out and use her. So are you ready? Make a guess, comment down below, and 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, isn't she so beautiful, so sweet? The Nearest, the wall tote in the baby pink color, and this is the new medium size. So beautiful and so sweet. This baby pink, oh my gosh, matches perfectly to my baby pink cardigan. This baby pink is just the softest, nicest baby pink color, so the perfect shade for me, and I am so in love. This is just so perfect, and the newer ones do come with a little pouch inside that you can remove if you would like to, and I think this is so nice. You can hang it out if you want to, but I'll most likely keep my small things inside. This baby pink color is just so pretty. So my very first DeWalt tote in this beautiful baby pink tweed, and it comes with lambskin, which is smooth lambskin, and gold tone hardware, and this is light gold. So you can see it is so close to these two beautiful pink colors. This is the 21S, my very favorite lilac baby pink color, which I purchased so many handbags in this beautiful lilac baby pink color, and it is almost the same tone. I would say this is a tiny bit lighter in the tone, but still cool tone baby pink with a lilac tint. And here on top I have my newest 22S light baby pink, which is a softer baby pink color that is more warmer tone. And by the time you're watching this video, girlies, I do think my birthday offer may be off now, but seriously, I'm going to extend it 3 more days only when you do see this video go up. So let me show you close up. So I have the baby one right here and mama right here. So they are different colors. So you can see this is my newest pink AB unicorn, which is so sparkly and the prettiest, dreamiest pink color. Need to see it in real life. So beautiful, very rare crystals, and it comes on my brand new pearly baby pink patent leather, which is super scratch resistant and even waterproof, and also my 24 karat real gold plated hardware. And you see the little crystal heart here is pink AB as well, and the baby mini heart here is baby pink crystals. So you'll see when I wear the bag like this, Isn't that so cute? Let me give you a close view of the baby mini heart. Oh my gosh, she is so stunning and sparkly, and it comes on this beautiful baby pink calfskin. So very beautiful baby pink color. So my darlings, as always, there will be giveaway prizes for you whenever I show you my new bag charms in my videos. So I will throw another giveaway here in this video. You can choose any one of them, and I'm going to choose 3 lucky winners and announce the lucky winners on Instagram. So don't forget to enter the giveaway. And also, so many of you ask me, and here is a comparison to my normal AB unicorn. So you can see them here side by side. This is my normal AB unicorn color, which is more like a green mermaidy tone that sparkles in every single color. And you can see the color comparison here. This is more like the milky baby pink color with the AB glow that also sparkles in every single color, but you can definitely see they are totally different colors, right? So I just wanted to let you know, and do keep in mind you get this beautiful free gift charm if you do buy 3 bag charms or more. So yes, for this video, and because I'm running this giveaway in this video, I will give you the chance again and extend the offer just for 3 more days. So yes, definitely check out the description box. It is so easy to enter. Just follow the rules there, which is anyone can enter. So yes, this is how the bag looks inside, and I am definitely going to get an organizer for this bag as it's so big, and I have more stuffing. And you can see it is gray fabric lined. So you can see it comes with a bigger slip compartment right here and a smaller one for your phone beside. And the chip is also on this side. So you can see it comes with the golden chip right here. On the back, it comes with a zip pocket with the Chanel zipper with the Chanel CC logo there. It is just so pretty, and just the perfect timing for me to get this as a mommy bag, right? So I think it is so special, and I'm definitely going to carry some of my baby things inside. It is just the perfect size, like to put in a cardigan and like a little bit more like the normal, and I can even bring one more small handbag with me if I want to, so my husband can carry this one if it's too heavy. And this bag is from the 22B collection, so I think you can still get it now. So the price of this bag is 30,200 MOP, and there is a smaller size that is around 1,000 something less, and it is just a tiny bit smaller, but I'm so happy that I went with this size. I originally wanted the new small size, but Macau didn't order it, and after I got this one, I just feel like it is perfect. Like, it is not as big as I thought it would be, so just the perfect size. So did you guess that I would buy the dual tote in this beautiful baby pink color? It is definitely my color, but I have just been holding back not buying this type of bag. Tote bags are not really my style, but since I am pregnant and my baby is coming so soon, I really need a bigger bag, as I don't really have any bigger bags except of my backpack and my GST. So I think this is the perfect practical one to add to my collection right now, and I do love the look of it, and I'm actually going to use it I think in next week where I have my pregnancy photo shoot. So yes, I can't wait to use her, and I will definitely input some pictures on my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me over there. I will also be announcing the 3 lucky winners of my giveaway over there. So don't forget to enter the giveaway. Check down the description box, and also don't forget to check out the beautiful Vivaia shoes that I showed you in this video. I'll leave all the links again for the beautiful ones that were in this video, along with the discount code Lindy, which will take 15% extra discount on top of the sales prices. Thank you so much to Vivaia also for sending me all these beautiful shoes to share with you in this video. I'm so happy and in love with them, and I'll definitely check out and buy some more. So thank you so much for watching this video, girlies. I can't wait to get back to you again next time, and do let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see what's in my hospital bag, as I'm going to pack that in next week. Oh my gosh, so excited. Do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will let you go now, and I will see you again next time. Stay beautiful, happy and blessed. I will see you again next time. So look at all these beautiful pieces. So I do have so many pretty new Chanel inspired pieces to share with you here today, and I'm so excited. These are fall collections, so the newest new.